Today's video, we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day in passive reoccurring income with a free AI tool that helps you automate your sales on products that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you all this free stuff that takes you through step by step everything that you need to do to start earning money with this AI tool and ChatGPT. Again, all of this is going to be 100% free, so put away your wallets, and you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere around the world. No tech skills, even as a beginner, all that fun stuff. Now inside this video, I am going to provide you a free checklist that is going to give you links to a bunch of different resources that you can use to make money online. The top link right here is going to actually send you to my free course that is going to take you through how to do outreach to businesses and actually get $300 to $500 a month in reoccurring passive income. Now it's going to go through everything from the account setup to the sales script to the 7-day client follow-up, and you're going to be able to make money in the first 7 days if you follow this checklist correctly. Also, you are going to get free group calls, you're going to get a Discord server with a community, you're going to get an imported snapshot for this AI tool that we have used to generate a lot of money online. This is 60 days worth of email automation, landing pages, websites, and a full verified system that actually works on generating income. And you can just import this right into your account. Hours of work just automatically. Now, another thing in this checklist that I really want to go over is this 400 plus AI tools, because you're going to get this list that you have 400 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. You can get affiliate links for these tools and get anywhere from 20 to 40% whenever somebody signs up through your link. And there's a bunch of other tools, but to keep this short and sweet, how you're going to get this is you're actually going to first like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to send you a link plus a bunch of bonuses including this. But for now, since I'm not going to get back to you right away, go to YouTube, scroll to the bottom to the description of this video, and click on thefacethisvideo.com/home. And when you actually click on this, you're going to get sent to my personal landing page, and we can actually build you one of these for yourself and your business, and we also have it in the snapshot. Now with this, it's just going to be a video of me explaining what's going on here. It's going to have a button for the Discord server and a link to the free software. You're going to click this button right here. You're going to input your information so that I can send you the checklist and everything that you need to be successful online. And then once you do that, you are going to get sent to the free software. Now, what this is actually going to send you to is a free 14-day trial that I have gotten through GoHighLevel. Now, Alex, you said that everything was going to be 100% free. Well, I'm going to keep that promise to you, because when you actually sign up for this 14-day free trial, my bot is going to send you a link to the checklist and all the bonuses that I have. And then with that, you can go in the course and actually go through this course real quick and get a 7-day follow-up where you can start making money in the first 7 days. Now, there's also another strategy of doing this with going through the social media path, like creating content, doing stuff like that, building landing pages like that. But if you want to make money right away to pay for the tool, you can go get this course right here, and it's going to teach you how to make money. And guess what? If you don't like it after the 14 days, go ahead and cancel it. But what you are going to lose is all of this information. You're going to lose the checklist. You're going to lose the group calls, all that stuff. So I advise staying in it. But if you don't think it's valuable, then you can go ahead and leave. You lose nothing. You don't lose any money, all that stuff. Now, how are we going to make passive recurring income with AI and ChatGPT? Well, the vehicle of how we're going to do this and make this money is actually GoHighLevel, and that is exactly what I give you with the link. And what we're going to use is we're actually going to use this snapshot right here that has the 60 days worth of email automation, all the AI landing pages, all of that stuff. Now, for the first method, we're going to keep this very simple by splitting this into two methods. The first method is going to be the people that want to make money right away, and that's where you go to the course and actually promote this to businesses. The second method is going to be actually doing social media, and the reason why this is going to take longer is because you actually have to sit there and build an audience, and then you have to build a funnel around that audience. Now, no matter which one you pick, the long-term one is going to be more rewarding in the future, but the short-term one that's going to get you money now is going to get you as fast as possible out of your 9-to-5 job, and I'm going to show you how right now. So what you're going to do is find local businesses in your specific area, and you're going to find plumbers, roofers, dentists, businesses like that, some brick and mortar businesses. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pitch them on an AI software. And I make this super easy because what we do is we offer this AI software for completely free for 7 days. And that's where you see the 7-day follow-up, where we're going to set up an AI bot for them so that they can actually have a bot that goes and follows up with their leads and makes appointments for them so that they don't have to pay somebody to do it for them. Now, this also captures the leads and puts them into the account as well so they don't lose the contact information. And it also lets the business capture the lead if someone doesn't pick up the phone, if someone doesn't respond to a text message. This goes through social media, stuff like that. And then what we do is we show them the amount of appointments we can get them booked, and we give them a trial run for 7 days, and then we go and we offer this software for $300 to $500 a month. Now, once you really have this set up, you are basically collecting money at this point, because what the AI bot is going to do is you're going to train it to do its job. It's going to do its job forever, and you are going to charge a monthly retainer for that. Do they need to know that you're not doing any background maintenance on it? No, they don't. They just care about it working. So then you turn around and say, hey, I'm going to offer this for $300 to $500 a month, and then you go on the next person and the next person. And eventually what's going to happen is you're going to stack up clients where you're getting $10, $20, $30,000 a month in recurring passive income without having to do anything. So, how are we going to get this done? First, we need to figure out what tools we're going to give to these businesses. So, actually in the checklist and in the course, I actually have all of the client fulfillment right here. Conversation AI, advanced AI employee, setup AI employee, all of this stuff, so that I don't have to sit here and ramble about how to use this stuff because it's already made videos. Now, remember, how you're going to get this is actually getting the checklist, and how you're going to get the checklist is going in the description of this video, clicking thefacesvideo.com/home, getting the free trial of HighLevel. Remember, if you do not sign up for the free trial on HighLevel, you will not get an email with this checklist, and then you can go on the course. Now, the second method is actually the social media, which is what I want to focus on in today's video. Because the problem that people have is people get views, people get followers, they get all that stuff, and they feel great, right? But the problem is you can't bring views and followers to the bank. So how do we change that so that we can actually create a sales funnel and make money online? Well, I just said it in that sentence. You need a sales funnel. Everyone that sells something needs a sales funnel. Whether it's some kind of dealership, whether it's a roofer, they all need sales funnels, and it's no different for these social media influencers and people that are starting on YouTube. So how are we going to make a sales funnel? Well, that's what this import snapshot. When you actually click into this and you actually sign up for the 14-day free trial, you're going to be able to import this straight into your account. And from there, I'm not going to import it because I already did, but from there, you're going to import it into an account. So if I click on one of the accounts I have it imported in, and you're going to get a sales funnel already set up for you. So what's the first step of a sales funnel? So the first step is going to be a link that you send people so that it goes to a landing page or website, right? Now, preferably we want a landing page because this way it only directs people to a certain button, because the difference between a landing page and a website is a website has multiple places you can go. You can go to the About Us, you can go to the products, you can go to the info. We just want to keep it simple, and that's why we're going to choose a landing page. So if we go to sites and we go to video sales page and then click edit right here, we can actually go and edit the landing page that I have actually uploaded into your account automatically with the link I just showed you. Now, as you see here, this looks very similar to what you signed up for to get this snapshot. So you can change this up to whatever you want it to be, this up to whatever you want it to be, and then what you can do is you can actually change this video by clicking here, scrolling down, and actually putting a video URL of an unlisted YouTube video down here of you talking, of a training that you're doing. For example, this is a training on how to make $10,000 a month with AI, right? And then you can put this here, and you can change this to whatever you want, and then you can change the buttons down here. Now, you can remove the Discord button. I only put this here because I want to funnel people into my Discord, but essentially these buttons go to wherever you want to funnel all your traffic to, because the thing is you want to be the master of directing traffic. So how are you going to do that? You're going to figure out where you're going to send your traffic and how you're going to make money. So whether that's selling an affiliate link, whether that's selling a service, whether that's selling someone else's product, which is basically an affiliate link. This is how you're going to do it. So let's get rid of this button right here just to not get confusing. We can click here and we can scroll down and we can actually see the name of the button and we can actually see where the button's going to go. So right now I have open pop-up. Now why am I doing open pop-up instead of just going straight to the website URL or the affiliate link? Well, that's because when we open the pop-up, we are actually going to get a form right here, which isn't going to be here. It's going to look exactly like this. And the reason that we need to build a form in front of the affiliate link is because there is something called the rule of 7. Now, the rule of 7 in marketing is basically the psychology that says that no one's going to buy from you unless they've seen you more than 7 times. So how do we get that done? Well, we capture their email, we email them a bunch of times, and we're going to actually automate that with artificial intelligence and a CRM that is going to do it for us so that we don't have to do it every single time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back, we're going to add a row, add a column, add an element, and then we're going to add a form here. And when you select a form, there is going to be a form here that is already built for you when you upload the snapshot. If it's not, you can build your own form, stuff like that. But this is the base information that you need: a full name, an email, and a phone, so that you can email them, text them. You have their names so you can mention them in emails, stuff like that. And when you actually click on this form, you can scroll down to the button action, which is going to be this one at the bottom. And then from here, you can actually send it to a website URL and send it to the affiliate link. And this is basically a funnel. This is the base idea of a funnel. Now, what do you do to send the emails? Now that this is here, whenever somebody enters their information here, it's going to end up in the contact section of this account. So in the contacts, I'm not going to open it just in case there's personal information in there, but it's going to show up there. But if we go to automation and we actually open the 60-day automation that uploads into your account when you click on the link in the sheet, you can actually go into here and see that the trigger on the very top is when a contact's created, or when somebody fills out a form, or when a contact's changed, stuff like that. It's going to send them through this workflow. So it's going to send them through this pipe, and it's going to go and wait 2 minutes. Then it's going to send them to the next step, which is a voicemail, which you can delete. You don't have to have. But this voicemail is something that I send to everybody that signs up for my email list. So ready? Here's like a little example. Hey, what's up? It's Alex Kenny from YouTube. I just wanted to... So it's just an introduction of what they're going to get, stuff like that. It sends them a voicemail to their phone. It sends them the first email. It sends them an SMS. Then it waits 24 hours, sends them an email, and then sends them an email every single day for the next 60 days. So now all you have to do is go in here and actually just change everything to your information. So if we click this email right here, you just have to change the name, you have to change the email, then depending on what you're promoting, you'll probably have to change the subject and all of this down here. But you can actually change the links with one click, because guess what? For these links, the ones that are blue, these links are attached to something called a custom value. Now see, this one's called custom value.affiliate link. And if we actually back out of this and go to settings, we can actually see that custom values affiliate link is going to be right here. And what we can do is we can click the 3 dots, we can hit edit custom value, we can put our affiliate link in here or whatever we want to promote, and then what's going to happen is this is going to change every single link in our email automation, because all the links are custom value affiliate link, and this is going to save us a bunch of time. But that is pretty much how you build a funnel and how you sell things online. It's really simple, but there's a lot of people that don't understand how to do it. And you can also turn around and throw this at an influencer and say, hey, you're not making money other than ad revenue. Guess what? Let me change that for you. You pay me this amount of money after I show you that it works, and you either give me a percentage or you pay me monthly for my services. And it's a no-brainer because they're not making money anyway. And if you offer it for free and a free setup, you are going to make money for this influencer, and in return, you're going to make money for yourself. Now, with that being said, I really hope you learned something today. If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. It helps get this information out to people that need it. So, with that being said, have a great day, everyone. Peace out.